Okay, so guys, you have joined this webinar to get introduced with Salesforce. Maybe few of know already aware of Salesforce, or maybe few doesn't know anything about Salesforce. So I'll take it for both. Is my screen visible to everyone?
Hey, hi,
Yes.
good morning. Yes, we are able to see your screen.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes,
Okay,
we are able
okay.
to.
So you
Yes, we
all
are
can.
able.
Okay, thank you so much for confirming. Just go and mute everyone. If you have any query, you can drop this in the chat box. Okay. Yeah. So let me introduce you with the Salesforce first. Then we'll take like what all things are there in Salesforce, what we are going to cover in this part of this course, and what all job opportunities you will be having in the Salesforce. Okay, so Salesforce is the world's most popular CRM system. What is a CRM?
Sorry to interrupt you. Can you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure. So I am Nikhil
Customer
Gupta.
relationship management.
Yeah. So I am Nikhil Gupta.
Nikhil, not able to hear anything.
Hello. Nikhil, your voice is not coming. Can you please check your connection? Hello. Nikhil, are you there? Guys, please wait. Might be some issue is there. Okay. So please be online. I'm just checking.
Sure.
So guys, he going to join again. Okay. Some like technical issue. So he going to join shortly. Okay. Within a 1 minute. So please be online.
Hello. Yeah, apologies everyone. I just got
Yeah.
dropped.
Hi. Nikhil. Yeah. It's
Yeah.
audible
Hi.
now. You can start.
Okay. Okay. Just make me host again, Fazan.
Yeah, wait.
Mhm.
Yeah, did it.
All right, thank you. Okay,
Please
so
start the recording also, Nikhil.
yeah, recording I think already in progress. Yeah, it's already in progress. Yeah, so we were here. So we were there, and it's the most popular CRM system in the world currently. Around 82,000 companies are
Nikhil,
working this.
sorry to interrupt you. Like someone asking for the introduction. Can you introduce yourself so everyone so they can know?
Yeah, okay, sure. So my name is Nikhil Gupta, and I am having around 13 years of experience, IT experience. I am working as a Salesforce senior architect in one of the renowned organization, and my throughout experiences belong to Salesforce. I am training other people also since last 5-6 years now. It's been 5-6 years where I'm training other people. I am helping them to grow their career in Salesforce, and yeah, that's all about me. If you want to know anything else, please ask questions. Okay, you can drop your questions also in the Dropbox, in the chat box. So I'll take them later. And so is it fine to start now?
Yes, yes, please. You can start.
Okay.
Please.
Yeah, sure. Okay, so as I told you that this is the most popular CRM system in the world. Currently, there are so many other system also CRM, but they are not much popular. So that's why there are so many companies who are coming on this platform. They are using this platform so that they can make their system dynamic. They can make their system web-based, cloud-based, so that everything can be. They need not to procure the systems on their local. Okay, it's and also this CRM system is very low cost CRM system. Its maintenance is very easy, upgradation is very easy. So that's why they are using this CRM system. Also, one more thing, it is not only CRM system, it is lot more than that. It is providing the infrastructure for the people, for the other companies also, so that they can make their own products, own software products. Okay, and it's also helping the teams for a different industry. It's not only sales, it's related to sales or marketing. It is sales, marketing, IT, e-commerce, customer services, so many other platforms. I'll tell you about all those platforms also after this in the coming slides. Okay, so just as a history, the headquarter of this company was founded in 1999 and founded by a Oracle executive, Mark Benioff. The headquarter of this company is there in San Francisco, and there are currently 82,000 companies which are using this Salesforce product. And to be more specific, now maybe it's more. The data is the data is from last year, so now maybe it's more, maybe 90,000 companies. So you have in short, if I say, you have a chance to get a job in 90,000 companies. Okay, Salesforce provided their systems, their softwares in 16 different languages. So whether it's a English, it's a Spanish, Chinese, they provide it in 16 different languages. And there are around 21 lakh subscribers are there currently, which is using this. Okay. Okay, so little more about why learning of Salesforce is very important. So it is not about the people who are only working. There are also there are many freelancers are there, trainers are there. There are so many people who are working. If you see here, it is a data, as I told you, this is a data from 2022 and affiliated by IDC. They said there are in coming days there are 3.3 million new jobs are going to become. Maybe now it is little more because it is vasting too much. In last year also, the Salesforce itself is hiring so many resources now. Salesforce as a company itself hiring, they are growing so fast, so that's why they are hiring more people. It has 859 billion GDP impact by 2022, and like 10 million tailblazers are there in the market. So who are tailblazers? Who are learning? There is a portal. Salesforce has provided a portal where you can go and do the learnings of Salesforce. So I will tell you during our course also, I will tell you how to use that portal. Okay. And it is one of the good thing that one of the 4 trailblazers is getting a job. Okay, so based on the skills, based on the profiles of the person, the experience of the person, they are getting different kind of job. I'll go to that part also later. Probably it will, maybe you are getting some query in your mind, so that will also clear your all the queries. Okay. All right. Please go on mute if you are not speaking, please. Okay, so I will tell you which all are the major customers of it, or you can say like how they are getting used. So if you see here, Google, Twitter, Amazon Web Services, Facebook, lot of HR systems, lot of financial system, they are using it for reporting analytics. There are a lot of call system, phone systems. They are using Salesforce as their platform, as their CRM system, as there are a lot of not only CRM system, lot many other things also. I'll show you that also, what all things you can do. So if you come here and see the product and services offered by Salesforce, you will see here, it is not only in the CRM like Sales Cloud. In the sales, it is helping. In the marketing, it is helping. In the services industry, it is helping. Analytics, it is helping. They are offering community cloud also, that is to help the people. Okay, analytics is basically to show them all the data, all the representation, dashboards, their reports. Services is to whenever any kind of problem is coming with any of the services or any of the product, you can raise the tickets there, you can connect with people, you can connect with agents, so that will help you in the service industry also. Marketing, whenever you wanted to do marketing of your product services to the digital world, to the entire world, that it can help you, it can advertise your things, it can make more better advertisement, so that it is helping. In the sales, obviously the sales platform is the vastly used platform of Salesforce, where it is helping to sell their products and services. It is configuring, then you are able to sell them. Okay. Apps, they are giving you a platform where you can create the apps not only for the laptop or systems, also for the mobiles also. So there are all apps you are getting there, whatever is getting created. There is an app exchange, like our Android system, we have a Play Store. Similarly, they have an app exchange where you can see all the mobile apps are there, which has created by different customers. So they have also stored it there. E-commerce system, I just show you the Amazon, Flipkart, and there are many other companies which is widely using this as in their e-commerce platform. IoT, Internet of Things, and also Health Cloud, like lot many hospitals, lot many doctors, medical departments, pharma companies, they are using this to procure their whatever the inventory they are having, how much inventory use, so that purpose also they are using it. So not only in one industry, all not guys, please go on mute if you are not speaking. Please. Yeah, thank you. So it not only these, so other than this also, like travel industry or any other industry also, they are also using this Salesforce platform. Okay. Let me go to the next slide. So purpose of Salesforce automations. So like as I told you, the Salesforce provide a lot of automations. How it is how it is helping in automation, like in marketing profiles, prospecting, prospecting customer, opportunity management. So there are different objects which are there in Salesforce. It is using to automate everything. So like you need not to do anything. You can say like you need not to do anything manually. By the helping, by the preparing some automations, you can do lot of things automatically. It will be automatically done, like your forecast management, your opportunity management, your sales activity management, your assets management, annual sales planning, contracts. You can do the contract management also here. What is contract management? Whenever you are with any customer, you do one contract with them, writing the contract, signing, digitally signing, that everything you can do through Salesforce. So email management, yeah, so triggering the email, as I told you, in the marketing cloud. So sending that emails to different customers, to their to their uh, advertisement or any kind of digital promotion, they're using this email management functionality also. Okay, also to update the customer what is done, what is not done, if the contract is approved, that email that want. So that purpose also they use this extensively, they use this email management. Okay, so Salesforce is very helpful in all these automations. Expense management, support management, we talk about this in the service industry. So that it is helping in the support. What is support? Let's say if you have taken a Geo fiber connection, and after taking this connection you are not feeling the speed is good or performance is good or the network is breaking in between, you can immediately go to their portal and raise a case. So that all functionality will be provided by Salesforce. Okay, so immediately you can assign immediately agent will be assigned to your case, and he will connect to with you. What is the problem? They will come visit, as an engineer visit also will be there, and they can resolve it and updates in the system. So the connectivity and all is very fast. So that all will be automated. Okay, measuring key matrices like dashboards, reports, and event management. Like you can do a lot of event management also. Event management is nothing but, see, like you are sending some request to any external system, and they are reverting that some response. So it is a event driven architecture.
meeting. Hey, sit there, meeting.
Okay, so is that if so, a lot of automations it provides, Salesforce provides, so that you can do in the Salesforce platform, so that you can help your customer. So this all I'm talking about the advantage of Salesforce. So if I go to next slide, so that also will give you, it'll help how Salesforce is helping customers. So in report performance, is search inquiry, API throughput, granular security, unified identify, larger database manipulation, massive scale storage, 5-minute upgrade, real-time notification. So this all will be provided by this cloud-based system. The way there is one more advantage, like this is a cloud-based system, so anyone from anywhere can use this system and they can update. It's not like you need to go to office only. If you are sitting at home also, you can do the things. You can update your manager. Okay, I have done these things. So that also is a feature of it. You need not to go. It's a cloud-based. You can open anywhere, any mobile application, tablet, laptop, anywhere system you can use it. Okay, so there are many ways it is helping your customer to grow more, to increase the leads, to close the deals very faster, customer driven loyalty and satisfaction, because it provides a very good security and system. Very good inbuilt security it is having. So that's why your data is safe, customer data is safe. It supports all the browsers fast. There is no hardware requirement because everything is cloud-based. You need not to install, you need to procure any software, you need to purchase any software. Only just go to the Salesforce, asks some licenses. Okay, these are licenses I want. They will provide you the license within the night. Okay, then you can start from the next day. If you are creating your own company, from the next day you can just talk with them, close the deal, and from the next day you are good to work on it. It is not like you are you are going to buy some hardware, then software, then installing team, then a space, a generator services, and all you need to do. This is all about, this is the advantage of Salesforce. That's why all the customers in switching to this cloud computing based software now, the CRM system, this Salesforce system. That's why we are getting lot many jobs nowadays in the system. The purpose to tell you all these things is that how this is growing. There is very limited scope of any, there is no kind of disadvantage. That's why all the customers is switching to the Salesforce nowadays. Okay. Automatic upgrade, the Salesforce also provide 3 times in a year automatic upgrade that will just, you need to run a script, then everything will be upgraded to the new version. So I hope if somebody is familiar with this, summer and spring and winter, there are three times in a year they provide the upgrades. Also, the certification also follows the same. Now, sales with your business adds more user if you want. So this is also one of the advantage, enterprise level cloud security. So that I'm telling, the nowadays, if you maybe you have heard about that Facebook has leaked some data, this has leaked some data, that has leaked, the WhatsApp has leaked some data. So Salesforce is something nowadays people and the companies are very particular about the security. So that's why the Salesforce is take care of it, the world level security, business level security, enterprise level security, it is giving to this there all the customer, where the customer is very small or very big customer like Google or Amazon, they're providing the similar kind of security to each of their customer. That's why even the small application or small company also choosing this Salesforce, also the big companies also. Okay, so that's why it's the first choice for every whoever there in the CRM system or related system. It's becoming the first choice. Okay, so I'll tell you about, so this is all about why the customer is going to it, how many jobs are there. Now I'll tell you about the course, our course, what we are going to study in the coming days. If you join this course through Webshala, so Webshala provide you this kind of admin course. This is the admin course content. So like for the Salesforce data model, all the apps, tabs, objects, fields, pick list. So it is around, we have covered all the topics here, all the automations, all the data management, report, dashboards, everything is there. So that we take around 20 days, and each day we give around 1 to 1.5 hours, sometimes 2 also, based on your requirement, inner requirement. And then in the last we do a revision also, and then project, we provide you the projects, and we will help you with the CV and interview preparations also. We have some already mainly asked questions in a slide deck. We will provide you the slide deck. We will go through the slide deck also with you. Okay, these are mostly asked interview questions that you will be facing off after completing the course. Okay. Okay, so this is for admin course. After completion of this admin course, we goes to developer course. Okay, in the developer course, even if you are, so this is first thing, if you don't have any coding background and all, there is no problem to understand this admin course. There is nothing to do with the coding and all. You can, without coding also, you can go with this code. But if you have some coding experience, okay, then this developer code will be, you can easily understand this developer code. Even if you don't have any coding experience, I will take some first basic programming classes, and then I'll tell you, then I will explain you everything. I'll teach you everything about the classes, object, OOPS concept, data types, collections, keywords, control statements, loops, if else condition, annotation, so that everything I'll teach you. Even the basic of the query language, database query language also. And then we will go to the Apex programming, Apex triggers, asynchronous programming, integration, Salesforce integration with different systems, and then develop how to deploy the your code in the Salesforce, then custom controllers, VF pages, or a Lightning or a component. That everything we will cover in during this course. Okay, and then again project explanation and CV and interview preparation. So that also we will do. Okay, so this.
Sorry to interrupt you. Like,
Mhm.
whatever you said in the screen, like a trigger 1 day and 2 days. Like in 2 days, trigger will you complete, and all these things in same day it will be complete.
No, it is not like that. See, it is something like that. If it is just a like a pharma. Sometimes, see, currently I just mentioned in this 20 days, but
Yeah.
recently it was 29 days. I think for the last training, it took 29 days. So it is all depends on how the quality of the student. If it is taking fast, then I'll take fast. If they are if they are taking time to understand the things, then I'll go slow. So if it can take 4 days also sometimes. So this is just a to put it into the picture that I put it here. Okay. So this is the topics. Yeah, you can say this is the topics which I went to cover. It can take 4 day also, 5 day also, 2 day also, 3 day also, based on the customer. So I never get forward until the student is understanding the complete thing. And this is also, there are also the doubt classes also after that, which we take. If any kind of problem, if anyone is missed any training session, they can go through the recording also. And later also in the doubt session, they can clear those doubts if they are having.
Okay.
Okay, so it is all depends on how the student is getting it. If they are wanted to give more time, we are free. We will do more exercise. We will do more examples. Okay. So other than this, whatever exercise as a part of this course we will do, other than we have some trailhead, like I told you that Salesforce provided their one platform where you can do the exercises. So in that lab, we will do the exercises also. I'll give you, sorry, I'm making you on mute so that you can unmute yourself whenever if you have further any query. Okay, so in that platform, we will also do all the jobs. They will give you the lot of points also. Okay, will give you the points that will help you to tell you to your interviewer whenever you are going for any kind of interview. You can tell them, okay, I have on this portal, on this Trailhead portal, Trailblazer portal, I am having these many points. So they can understand, okay, how many exercise you have done. They can easily understand, okay, this many experience you are having. This is a good student. Okay, he can do it well. All right.
Nikhil,
Sir, can I ask one question?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
Actually, I heard about it that just like Salesforce, like Microsoft, they have their own CRM, like Dynamic 365.
Right,
So,
right.
yeah.
Yes. The
So,
Oracle is also having Sybil. Microsoft has Dynamics.
yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So, comparatively, Salesforce, Microsoft is providing like in the least cost rate comparatively Salesforce. So,
Mhm.
some are the customers like who are moving from Salesforce to Dynamic 365. So, do you think that it will be a competition or Salesforce will boom in coming market?
See, Salesforce is already booming in the current in the coming market, and also currently also it is booming. And see, it is not about only Salesforce. Okay. Let's say, for example, I'm just taking very real example. Okay, let's say earlier the people was working on in a bank, they're working on this registers and all, they're storing everything on registers. Then computer came, then they switched to computer. Now latest technology working, right? So there are a lot of application and all is working, everyone is doing on the app only, they're all transaction and all. See, technology changes. Today it's earlier it was some Oracle Siebel. Today it's a boom of Salesforce. Okay, learn this, work in this, start working in this, get a job in this. Maybe some in future after 10 years some new system will come. You can, if you know the Salesforce, you can switch to any system. It is not about if the Salesforce will go, your job will go. No, Okay, the people were not knowing in the bank, the system, the computer, they did not lose their job. They switch to, they start learning the things, they start learning the computer. Okay, so even if the Salesforce is going, you will learn another things. And that will, if you have good and you know the concept of one CRM system, you can work in any CRM system. I am also a hiring authority in my organization. If somebody knows Oracle Siebel, that is my, if he, even if it is he doesn't know Salesforce, and the people who are working doesn't have any work experience in any CRM system. So my always preference is I will choose the civil CRM system who knows the civil. At least he knows CRM. Salesforce, I can teach them. I can make them trained on the Salesforce. It will not take me much time to make them trained on Salesforce, but he knows at least the CRM. So the main thing here is to learn the concept, learn the Salesforce also. Okay, if you learn the CRM and concept, you can work in any CRM system, be it Salesforce or Microsoft, this Dynamics 65 or Siebel, Oracle Siebel. So it is to you, at least you need to have some guided training on this one particular CRM system. You can learn any other things also in the future.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay,
Nikhil, can
Well,
you please
sir.
go to previous slide and explain again?
yeah, sure. So this one
Not
you are
this
talking
one.
about,
Before
okay.
that.
This one?
Yeah, this one. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So see, how it is something how Salesforce is helping their customer. See, why customers switch to any Salesforce system? See, earlier what was happening before any CRM system, what was happening? You just try to understand maybe the picture of before 20 years or 15 years. They were putting everything on the Excel sheet, one how many accounts they are having, how many opportunities they are having, which account has which order they have placed, what service we are providing, everything there. It is secured everything. Like it is bits and pieces. Some one Excel is having, they have to select from there, putting on the register, noting the register. Okay, what service we provided to which system, which account, which customer is like for you example, what's your good name?
Shankar.
Shankar. So Shankar, let's say you have owning a one company and you have asked some CRM system. Okay, this is something you want. I want this broadband service or this service. Okay, they before 10 years, 15 years, how they were doing it, 20 years, they were putting down everything on the Excel sheets. Okay, and managing those Excel sheets, it's very tough. But now in the help to in the Salesforce system, everything on one place. Okay, they can easily, they can find their data. Okay, what service it is having. If they want to raise a case, if they have any problem, raise a case, resolve the case quickly. Okay, searching is very fast. API throughput means, see, nowadays everything is connected. Like for example, Instagram is connected with Facebook, right? If anything you are posting into Instagram, you can post into Facebook also. You are just as a button click, you need to extra add, and then the things are going to your Facebook also as a post. So how this is happening? This is the interface is written between Instagram and Facebook. There is some API response and request and response going between these two. Okay, then they are interconnected with each other. One is sending the request, another is accepting the request. They're also showing that post into Facebook and response back. This post is successfully posted in Facebook. Okay, so that is something. It's Salesforce also providing these all the API throughput, whether it's a middle layer, it's on the front layer, middle layer, or anywhere. During our course, I will talk you about this in more detail. As I explained you, this is part of our course. Okay, granular security and sharing. So that I told you, like in the admin course, we will cover this. It's a part of security and sharing, how you can restrict one user. Okay, you will see only this data. You will see only this object. So this will help in that. Unified identity management, large data set manipulation. So our data loader, import wizard, export wizard, Salesforce, they are helping customer to manipulate their data. Let's say if somebody is saying you in the you have around millions of record in your system, and one day the client is saying, okay, change this type to this type, the type of this to this another type, some field value they wanted to change. You are not going to sit and change it manually. There is a data set manipulation methodology which you can use to change within a minutes. You can change the entire data. Okay, massive scale storage. So it is something like today you have a company of 1,000 people. Tomorrow, if it is enhancing scaling to 10,000 people, how you will switch this to this? So that over a night, Salesforce provide you some methodology so that you can enlarge your business. You just need to ask some licenses from there, more license from there. They will provide you. You just pay them, pay the cost. They will provide you everything. They are also providing the 5-minute upgrade. So I told you that in a year, 3 times automatic upgrade is happening. Okay, so that is 5-minute upgrade. Your system will be upgraded to new system. Okay, so that was happening in earlier ancient time or other CRM system, like customer is booking the appointment within a year, they will come, they will upgrade your system, hardware, software, everything, and then you will be able to use it. So it's a shutdown for around 3 to 4 days sometimes, some days. But it is just in Salesforce, in the case of Salesforce, it is just a 5-minute upgrade. Okay, real-time notification. I talk about this email notification and all, right? Here, email management and all. So that it is real-time notification it is throwing. Report and dashboard management.
So you
Right.
mean every company have CRM application since
Yes,
10 to
yes.
15 years?
Yeah, that I told you. See, it is basic requirement, right, for any company to what all customer they are serving, what all opportunities they are serving, what all orders they have provided, what all service they are provided to their customer, to store that into somewhere in the system, so that if somebody incoming after contract is happening with you and your customer, if somebody asking after 2 years, okay, this was the problem in my system, how you will track it, what is the contract of it.
Okay.
So this is the basic requirement for any company.
For this particular CRM application, any subscription is there, like a yearly basis or a 6 months basis?
Yes, of course. So every company who is purchasing this, they are contracting, giving like taking a contract, license-based contract from the Salesforce. Okay, we wanted to purchase this for these many people will going to use it. So that is the license number, and for this many years we wanted to contract with you.
For example, if I want to buy any Office 365 license, I need to pay, right? The same thing, Salesforce.
Yes, of course, same.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, so if no much doubt here, I can go to the type of job opportunity in Salesforce. Okay, so if you see here, you have see, after learning this course, okay, after learning this course, so there are part of it you can take only, you can understand, you can take the, like from Webshala, you can only go for admin, you can go for the developer along with admin plus developer also, you can go only for the developer also. So there is choice, some choice Webshala is providing. You can talk to Webshala in more detail. But the concept of it, why it is very important to understand what is the purpose of each course. So if you, let's say if you are learning Salesforce admin course, okay, your pay scale will be okay. Okay, effort to learn not much, because in in a month or so you will be able to understand all the concept of it. You will do all the exercises, project and mini project we will give you after, and then you can prepare your CV and you can circulate it. So the effort to learn is not much. Experience required, no experience required for this. You can fresher also, you can apply for any of the company. Let's say if you are fresher, see, we have an audience of around 80 people now. Maybe some people of them, they are already experienced, they wanted to shift or switch their current job to the Salesforce. Okay, maybe there are fewer fresher, maybe even the graduate, or maybe still in graduate, they wanted to, they are more focused on the career, they wanted to join this course now itself. Okay, so that they can be familiar what is the industry, what is in the ID industry is going on. So there are many type of different type of people, okay, here, who are coming to learn this course. course. So for this, getting a job into Salesforce admin, no experience is required actually. If you have experience, that is very plus point for you. And the experience can be in any domain, any work technology, non-IT, IT, anything. Okay, even if you are non-IT experience, you have the experience at least. Okay, why I'm saying is you have the experience means you know the industry at least, whether it's a mechanical industry, civil, any industry, but you know how to deal with your customer, how to deal with. So learning will be very fast. Getting an inquiry for a job, it will be very easy, but it's less jobs are there for only admin. If you are a developer, second case is if you, let's say you learn admin and Salesforce both, developer both, then the obviously your pay will be high. Okay, effort to learn is moderate. The person who is knowing coding, it will be very easy for them because basics are already they have done. If they know, okay, what is our abstraction, what is the encapsulation, what is the class, what is the object, how to create it, it will be very easy for them. Same thing I am also going to teach them. Okay, but in coding, Salesforce coding, different language. We are having Apex language here. Okay, no prior experience is required in the Salesforce domain. Okay, if you have an experience in C, C++, Java, .NET, any other language, Python, any other language you have little experience, that also will work. You know at least coding, you know the concept, it will be very easy for you to understand the developer calls also. Okay, getting inquiry is very easy. If you know how to code it, you can solve the problem, you can crack the interview very quickly. And the pay also is quite a good handsome amount they pay to their Salesforce developer. Another thing is the third thing is Salesforce tester or QA, quality and assurance profile. It is something if you don't know the coding, okay, if you don't have the coding experience prior, or if you don't know much coding, if you are even not interested in coding, something it happens, okay, I try to learn the course, but something is not going into mind. Okay, so in that case, you can select to this job tester Salesforce tester profile. The pay scale is good in this because like I see in the industry, tester are earning sometimes more than developer. So it is all depends on how quality resource you are. Getting an inquiry also very less because in my team, if also I see the same number of developer are there and same number of tester are also there, because everything we develop, a tester is required there to test it. So testing and developer having similar opportunities in market. Okay, and Salesforce technical architect. This is the little bit if a quality job. After a quite a good amount of experience, you got this kind of job. Salesforce technical architect. Pay skill is very high. Okay, effort to learn is very high because you need to understand all the clouds, all the systems, everything you should be knowing. What is input, what is output, everything you should be aware. Okay, for this technical architect role. And yeah, it is written here at least 5 years. So actually maybe more than 5 years, 10 years it takes to learn all the Salesforce. Actually, it is, you can start with a journey maybe in 2-3 months, but gradually you learn the things. Okay, gradually you learn the things. When you go on the real project, real experience you earn, then you're in the real, you start learning the actual Salesforce and their technologies, because they are very vast. I'll show you the all the certification also after this slide. Okay, and getting a requirement, so no direct entry for this for sure. You cannot go directly for an architect role until and unless you are already having a Salesforce developer or tester, any kind of experience you are already having. So entry after a certain amount of experience, let's say 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, you can switch to this. And the salary, if I say, it's very high. Okay. Is that clear? So I take the questions after I'm completing everything. So you can ask one by one. Okay, so I'll just take the one more slide. Yeah. So there are few certification roadmap. After completing your admin course, you can go for this administration certificate. And after that, you can go for Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Advanced Administration also. So that is admin track or implementation track. And there is another track which is developer track. For after completing your developer course, you can go for this App Builder 1, and then PD1, and then Technical Architect, and then PD2. So this kind of certification you can do by yourself. Okay, before going to, I think, yeah, that's it from my side. If there, I want Abhishek also to take that part of how the things will go here. Like,
Yeah. Hello. Hello, guys. So thank you, Nikhil. So yeah, guys. So Nikhil, like this is the thing. So if you can tell more about regarding our project, like how our project will be driven and what kind of work they have to do into the project. So that will be more useful for them.
sure.
Also.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So after, let me go back to the slide. Yeah. See, after completing this admin and developer course, when you're on this, when we come to this stage, like project explanation and the project given to you. So what happens is, see, you learned everything so far. You have done all the trailhead exercise also. I'll give you some in-house project, these projects, and these projects will be like provided by Webshala. Okay, so you are starting working on those projects. If you are having, I'll explain you all this. I'll help you also if you are getting any kind of problem to build anything, to do anything, I'll help you with that also. Okay, so that there like these projects, you can, after completion of 2-3 months this course, you can start that mini projects and all, and then you can take it forward. Like I can help you with, if you are having any problem and all, I can help you with that also. Okay.
Sorry to interrupt you. When we are getting this information, they said that we will be going with a live projects or something.
Yeah, that will be the live project only.
Live
Those will be
project.
the live project. Yes.
Okay, right. Thank you.
Okay, so we can take the question answer round also. Let me check what all questions we are having. Okay, so first question is, why Salesforce? Why not data science and cyber security? Okay, so cyber security is altogether a different thing. It is basically it is in the, see, Salesforce is a CRM system, and cyber security is basically a security related system. So see, there is no such thing that there is no comparison between these two. But as a job point of perspective, security, cyber security and a data scientist, very, you can say, like, it's a difficult to learn. But Salesforce is very easy to learn, and getting a job also is very easy, because in the market, I see the market, current market, I am in the industry since 13 years. I see there are a lot of jobs, and getting into in Salesforce job is very easy compared to data science and cyber security. So that's why we are preferring you for the Salesforce course. What next question is, what technical knowledge is required for the Salesforce? So that I have already covered, Ajit. If you have further any doubt on this, you can ask me. So just to let you take you about this question also. See, technical knowledge based on, see, if you are going for a developer course, so for, if you have prior programming language experience, anything, any language, so that will be add-on for you. But I haven't said that if you don't have any programming language, you cannot learn developer console. I am there to teach you the basics also. Okay. Okay, so you are
Sir,
not.
sorry for the interruption. As you're saying right now, even I'm from the background of HRMS actually, and I'm I do work in one of the organization, and like I don't have any coding languages right away. And if when you're saying the basics, will that will be equal to the Salesforce, or the vast thing that you will be putting across. Because when we go into the live when we are working, we may need more explorer of the coding languages, right? So I'm just thinking to jump to the developer side. So that this is my question.
Yes. So basically, see, as I told you, I teach how to create a class, how to create an object, from everything from the basics. And it is mentioned here 1 or 2 days, but it takes actually more days. Okay, so it takes actually more days. Even in the list or one collection, I take 1 day. Okay, in the list itself, until it is clear, everyone is able to write the program in list. I don't leave the students. Okay.
Okay.
So it is something like that. If you are able to learn the Apex Salesforce Apex programming, you can do the programming C, C++, Java, .NET also. Okay, so I take concept wise, I don't take only Salesforce wise. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, so there is next question. Salesforce is one type of database. Yeah, it's one type of database also, one type of interface also, one type of CRM system also, and it is helping in all the clouds. All the clouds means all the type of industries. If I say like around 90,000 companies are using Salesforce currently, it means it is connecting to each and every segment of the industry, whether it's a civil, whether it's a e-commerce, sales, marketing, everything it is covering. Travel industry, everything it is covering nowadays. Okay, so next question is, may I know about the features of Salesforce Marketing Cloud? Yeah, so as I told you here, the features of Marketing Cloud. So if you see here, it is helping in Marketing Cloud platform. How it is helping? See, it is sometime what its marketing requires to create an advertisement, to publish those advertisement into the market, to do the digital campaigning, digital marketing, right? To know more about your customer, to send the surveys, to retrieve the response, to create a email studio, and so that all the people who have subscription takes subscribers, it is adding whoever their customer, they are adding those into the subscriber list so that they can publish to all those advertisement and the digital marketing to those people. So how this is how they are helping into the marketing field. Okay. The next question is,
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
yeah.
Yeah, actually, you told me that in the previous slide, actually Salesforce testing also get a good package actually.
Yes.
Is there any course for that? Otherwise, we have to continue for developer.
No, admin and developer are the course for it. Testing
Okay.
doesn't have any separate course. It's a all manual testing. Okay, you can take the automation testing test case courses also separately, but to get the admin and developer are more than enough to get a job in Salesforce testing.
Okay,
Okay.
that means admin and developer we will learn, no? So we can do the testing also.
Yes, of course, of course.
At least the main
I
focus
told
is
one
the
more.
developer only.
Yes, I told the one more statement there. If you are even after learning the course also, you are not good in even in the coding part. Maybe logically it is not getting connected. Some see, all people are having their different type of IQ level, right? Some are
Right.
very good in logics. See, coding is what is coding? Coding is to create a logic into it, right? Maybe after some people they are not able to grab that coding, they are not able to understand how this logic is working and all. So the testing profile is for those people. I hope I'm clear with this. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Tell something about the LWC. See, LWC is lighting web component. Okay. There is a separate course for it. I will talk about the Aura component also. Web component, we have a separate course. So it is not only Salesforce Webshala is providing only admin and developer. They are providing you lot many other courses also, like LWC, Salesforce CPQ. There are a lot many other courses also. But these are the basic to start with to learning the Salesforce. Okay.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah.
I'm Sushila here.
Yes, Sushila.
Actually, I've been passed out in the year 2012 with the BSc graduation.
Okay.
And for the past 10 years, I've been working as a dietitian.
Okay.
So would there be any chances of me getting into this domain, like completely, from a non-IT into coming into this IT? So,
Yeah, see, if you are coming to this webinar, it means you wanted to switch your career from somewhere from dentist to here in Salesforce, right? Yeah. So if you learn these courses, see, for sure it will help you to come into this field of Salesforce. And as I told you, there is no prior experience, IT or anything is required to learn these courses and get a job into Salesforce.
Okay.
This is the plus point with you, that you are a dentist, you know how to handle the customer. Okay, see, as I told you, if you are having in the experience to any industry, whether it's IT, non-IT, you know how to handle the customer. The Salesforce CRM is also providing you with this system, they also helping their customer to get a new customer, new business, new closing the deals faster. So this is the purpose of these things, to get everything on a space, on a single place. They're keeping everything so that they can get the things quickly. Searching is fast.
Sorry for the interruption, but my concern is like my passed out year is 2012, not like 2019 or 18, something like that.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what, when you even there are few students who passed out 2009, 2010. They learned this course and they got a job. Okay. So it is not about when you. Yeah, definitely there will be some questions. They will be asked to you about your gap. So you need to have a proper justification to that. That's it. Okay. It is not like it is not as hard stuff for it.
Okay, sure.
Okay. Yeah.
Thank you for the response.
Okay. Okay, so next question, I take it. Do you require Java knowledge for the development? Yeah, as I told you, any programming language, if you have prior experience like C, C++, Java, .NET, it will be a advantage for you to learn this course. But it is not the hard stuff for it. It is not the compulsory requirement of it. As I told you, I will also teach you all these things. Okay, at the part of this program, the courses, the basic knowledge which I gave you, the language will be Apex, but it will be the conceptual. If you understand the conceptual of a class, same way you will create the same class in the Java also. But if you have a Java knowledge, it will be very good for you. You will be very quick during these classes. Okay. Okay, so again the same question. Next question is, I have a non-IT background. I have total 7 years of experience in L1 support help desk. Okay, that's very good. It will help you for the service cloud. Okay, because you already have the case management, the lead management, escalation, assignment. These things you have must be already aware. So that will help you to grow very fast in this environment. I'm planning to switch to Salesforce. It is very good choice for you. I already explained all the things. Even if you are from non-IT, anywhere, see, the plus point for the any professional, they have experience. They have experience in any field. They know the client. They know how to handle the clients. They know how to see the data into. They have, maybe you are preparing some different Excels and all. So everything will help you to learn this course and grow faster than compared to any fresher. Or fresher is another big great point, that they have a fresh mind. They don't have anything. Okay, like I take a simple example. Even if I was there in London for 2 years, and my son born there. Okay, and when I was there, he born there, and he start speaking only English, because as per their environment, right? He doesn't speak Hindi, because he was not having that environment. He understand only English. He speak in English. For us, it is we are learning English is also a tedious task in our old days, right? To understand that. But for him, it is a cakewalk. Like he's thinking even in English. For understanding the Hindi, it was very tough. But understanding Hindi, learning English was very easy for him. Okay, so it is all fresh minds. A good point with the fresh minds, freshers are they can learn very quickly. They do exercise very fast. This is my prior experience.
Excuse me,
Okay.
sir.
Mm-hmm.
I'm Sushila
Hello.
here again.
Yeah, Shushila.
After completion of this course,
Mhm.
what is the probability of getting the job in Salesforce or any other organization? Like within how many days or?
Yeah. So see, I asked Abhishek to answer this question.
Okay.
Abhishek.
Hello. Sorry, can you just repeat the question? So I'm in a call.
Yeah,
So
so
yeah.
I was actually asking after completion of the course, which actually I got to
Mhm.
know that it is a 45 days of course for the admin. So what would be the probability
Okay.
of getting a job? Like within how many days the probability will be there of getting a job within the Salesforce or any other organization?
Okay, so the thing is like if you just choose the admin part, as like that Nikhil told you. Okay, so job, it's a very less and competition is high if you just choose the admin part. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
if you're from non-IT, you have a other option like you can go for admin, then business analyst profile also. That we have that course also. Okay,
Okay.
so and after that you can go for quality analyst also. Okay. So there are two courses where people more choose the business analyst part. Okay. So if you choose both, like, admin and business analyst, and after that, if you do some, CPQ, suppose. Okay. So that will be the plus point for you. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
then after that, if you research for, for the job, okay, definitely you will be get. And here, you also get the 100% interview guarantee in a Webshala, like, as we told to our students. So we have a separate placement department, so their work
Okay.
is just to provide provide as much as possible opportunities to apply with a resume, and you can go as much as possible interviews. Okay, so once you're done with the training program, so there will be like a resume preparation session. Okay, so in our resume preparation session, what we do mainly, okay, we add some project and internship experience. Suppose you are from non-IT background, as I told you, this training program, that live project based. So after the training, you have to work on some of the live project. Okay, so where you will be get internship experience. Okay, 3 months to 6 months, something like that. Okay, and
Okay.
you can use as a like some experience, like it's a plus point only. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
once you add that, and once you just hold on. Yeah, so once you add that and in your resume and the project detail, what task you have done on a related project, okay? So definitely your chances is to get shortlisted is more. Why? Because there are two kind of fresher who don't know the technology, he just learn from the talent, and who know the how to work on and deal with the projects. Okay, so
Okay.
you have a plus point, and after that, like if you work on some project, definitely you like, I'm not saying like first interview definitely you're going to crack, but you
Mm-hmm.
have to give continuous interviews, and usually people start cracking from their sixth or seventh interview. Okay, so you have to put your continuous effort, and yeah, definitely like people are getting the job. So okay, so
Okay.
you also
During this
do it.
internship of
Okay.
3 or 6 months, whatever it would be, would they'll be getting paid for that for the internship, or they have to pay for the internship? Like, how is it? You got my point?
Sorry.
Hello,
Can
am I
you just
audible?
yeah, you are audible. So I was question again.
Okay. If someone, after completion of the course, you told that there will be a live project for like in a form of internship for 3 to 6 months,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Mm-hmm.
So during this 3 to 6 months of
Yes.
live project, will we be paid for that, or we have to pay for this live projects?
No. It's not like that. Okay, so here we'll provide you the project. Okay, and it might be from many industry like e-commerce industry or healthcare industry, anything. Okay, for them you have to build a CRM. Okay, so like it's not like much, but there are some few tasks you have to perform. Okay, and 6 months like is just for to put in your that certificate. So the work is from home, and like after the between the training program only you get the assignments. Okay, so assignment related with your project only. Okay, so once you start training, like within a week you start getting the assignments, like that project assignments. Okay, so from there your journey is start for the internship. Okay, and in this curriculum, okay, so we give like one.
Hello, your voice is not audible.
Actually, your
Hello,
voice is not audible.
hello.
I think, wait a second, guys. I think Abhishek dropped or, yeah, voice.
Yeah, no, I don't know what's
Yeah, your
going
voice is
on in my
feeble.
place. Okay, yeah. Okay. So yeah, so after that, so whatever assignment going to give you more than like per day two, we just count, like us, like how many hours you work on that particular, assignments. Okay, so like that, we going to be the internship. You don't have to work 6 months here, work on whatever assignment you're
Your
going
voice
to
is
go through.
breaking
You have to
actually.
go through.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, now I'm audible.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So yeah, so whatever assignment we going to provide you, okay. So the duration we going to count, okay. Accordingly, you will be get the that certificate, okay. And our certificate, is a CPD and ISO affiliated. So CPD is the world largest accreditation firm for based in London. Okay, so they provide accreditation mainly for the technical institute. Okay, and in
Oh,
India, 2 or 3 companies are only accredited, or in a Salesforce, like we are one of them. So you will be get two certificate. One is the course completion. Second one is the internship. Okay.
okay. Got it. Thank you
Yeah.
so
So that's
much.
the thing, and that you can use in the resume. Okay. Thank you. Yeah.
All right, thank you, Abhishek. Okay, so the next question
Uh,
is,
so sorry for the interruption. Abhishek, one question over here. You have went with multiple course. Like, I mean, you are giving the courses to lots of people, right? Based on
Correct.
it, like, what is the ratio and how many people are getting into the jobs if you take it in 100%?
No, it's not 100% ever. You can say it's like if you choose admin part, definitely the ratio is less. Let me tell you admin and development. Okay.
Okay.
So, okay. So if you want to go for the development, the ratio will be like 60 or 40. Okay. So 60% people get the job. Okay. 40% people get the job, but in a different role like business analyst. Why? Because after, going trained in a development. Okay, so they just come in a hype, like they don't have any interest in a coding and programming. Okay, they just choose the program to get the job. Okay, so that's why we tell to people, like, if you have an interest in a development part, programming part, okay, then you choose the programming. Otherwise it will be hectic for you. Okay, better you can choose admin and business analyst if you are from, if you don't want to go in a development, if you don't have any interest into coding and programming. Yeah, but if you have an interest, yeah, definitely you can learn. Okay, so yeah, so that's why the ratio is the 60-40. Okay, where like 60% people definitely get the job. Okay, where 10% people, they get the job, but package is less. Okay, and like 30%, like there are 30% people, like they try but they didn't get, okay, yet also. The main reason is like communication gap. Okay, communication skill. Second, either they didn't focus on the class, they didn't do any kind of assignment, like they just attend the class. Okay, so like that, that's why like this 30% ratio, like still they didn't get any job. Okay.
Thank you.
thank you, Abhishek, for those clarifications. Yeah, so there are a few questions on the certification. So certification, I think already Abhishek cleared what kind of certification we are going to provide you. Yeah, so there are few external certification also, which I explained here in this slide. They are related to administrative line and the developer line, there are different certification which people do, and those are all provided by directly from the Salesforce company. These are not provided by any of the by the Webshala. Webshala will help you to prepare for it, but you have to pay the fee, everything by your own Okay, there are some vouchers code which we also get, Webshala also get, that we can provide you. So but it is all depends on, there are some the uh, time to time, it is not always that voucher codes, but yeah, if we get it, we will provide you. Okay. And there are next question. Okay, that is also related to certification. I cleared that. Yeah, there is one more question related to the salary expectations for Salesforce admin, QA tester, and developer. So I told you, but yeah, if you wanted to know specific about the numbers, so yes, you can say like for admin, you get a job from 3 lakh to 6 lakh. For a developer, you get a job from 6 lakh to 10 lakh based on your experience also. Once your experience is growing good, if you are doing well, you can switch again after 2 years the organization, then the package always will become better. Okay, there is one more thing which I just wanted to highlight here, because I hired one person who is having just 6 years of experience, and I means like my company have to hire them on 30 lakh package. So it is all based on what skills you are having, how much depth knowledge of the Salesforce product you are having, how much you are good in programming, how you answers your questions. Okay. Yeah, for quality tester, again, it's a like a 6 lakh, 7 lakh only. So it is all depends on how, when you grow with the experience and all, then it will become high. Yeah, for technical architect, it is more 20 plus is something like that you can mention in a short. Okay, so this is all the salary expectation from the Salesforce course and the different streams. I am having 8. Next question is I'm having 8 years of experience into IT. Let me mute few of the people. They are unmute. Okay, please go on mute if you are speaking. Thank you. Yeah, okay. So I'm having 8 years of experience into IT operation. Lead Salesforce is right option for me. Okay, so you are having 8 years of experience in IT operation, and you want to ask for lead Salesforce. Operation lead, operation lead, okay. And Salesforce, yeah, it is, see, as I told you, Salesforce is easy to learn, and anyone from any background, whether it's IT, non-IT, operations or programming, they are good to learn this Salesforce course and get a job also. Okay, so beat it if you are in IT operations lead also, it will be very easy for you to learn that service cloud course also. Okay, after this admin and developer. Okay, so in which platform the Salesforce uses the most? So Shiva, to answer your questions, all the environment, all the platforms, it's not only one platform. I told you already this question. So sales, marketing, any e-commerce, AI, Internet of Things, application development, anywhere we are using this. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, sure. Will AI replace the Salesforce in future? So AI is already part of Salesforce as of now. Okay, Internet of Things, I talk about IoT. So it is already part of Salesforce. So it is not like that it is separate from Salesforce, it is already part of it. So in the future, nobody has seen the future, AI can replace everything. Okay, so there is no, I cannot tell about the future, but AI is the something, it can replace everything. Okay, it can replace the human also in future. The maid and all, everything, everything going to be served by this AI only, robots only. So it is something which is called, maybe after 50 years, maybe Maybe we are there or not, we don't know. Okay, so just focus on the current, focus on the present, what you can learn, where you can get the job. In future, we will, whatever comes in future, we will learn that also. Why we are so worried about the future? Okay. Next question is there any qualification graduation for Salesforce? No, there is no. Even the BSc people, BA people, BCom people, BTech people, MTech people, MBA people, everyone is learning this course nowadays and they're getting jobs also. Okay, it is very difficult to find Salesforce job for fresher. Any tips for fresher? Yes, there is a very good tips. Learn well. Try to answer all the question of the interviewer. That is the one way to get a job immediately. Even if in your first interview, you can crack that. Okay, if you learn very well, you understood the concepts. If you explain the concept, even the syntax is wrong. Nobody's bothered about the syntax nowadays. Okay, they will just see how is your concepts. If the concept is good, you are good to get a job. Okay. I'm a manual testing eligible Salesforce developer. Yes, why not? You are eligible for Salesforce developer. Only you need to learn more programming language. It will help you to get a Salesforce QA job, but developer job also you can get if you learn programming language. Okay, and that I can assure you it is also very, when you learn my classes, when you come to my classes, you will understand okay how easy the programming language it is. All the concepts with all the lifetime example, I'll showcase them.
Sir, this is
Okay.
Aki.
Yeah.
I have a doubt, sir. Actually, if I don't know the coding part, can I learn business analyst, admin and business analyst, and can I get a good package for that?
Yes. See, developer role is, see, what is a business analyst job? Do you know about it? Business analyst. The business analyst, what the BA people do, they understand the requirement from the client. Okay, and they put them into a paper so that the architect or the team lead, they can understand them. Right, this is the job of a BA, to understand, to talk with the people. If you have very good communication skills, if you can understand the requirement well, if you can club into if you that mingle with their client very well, you can understand their requirement, you can put them onto the paper. So that is the role of a BA. How you will do it in Salesforce? For that you need to have an understanding of admin and developer both, but it is not like if you have a knowledge, that is more than sufficient to get a job in BA. It is not like that something you need to do the coding also for your entire of your life, but it will be helpful while you getting the requirement from the customer. You will, in your mind, it will something like, okay, yeah, this we can do. Otherwise, if you don't know about the Salesforce developer things, you don't know how we can do it, you will be like blank in front of them. Got my point? Right? So it will help you to understand it, their requirement well, if you do these courses, if you learn the developer. Okay.
So is it mandatory to learn the developer also for that? Because Salesforce business analyst is separate course they have shown me. So is it to learn
No,
admin?
as I'm saying, see, it is always helpful to know the product, the Salesforce product well, in terms of admin, developer, but it is not mandatory. You can go, you can talk to your client even without knowledge of the Salesforce also. After admin course, you have enough knowledge, you can talk to your client to get their requirement, put them onto the paper, technical notes you can prepare, right? But it is always better if you take the developer course also. If you know the developer also, you know how we can write that into our Salesforce, how we can do the coding part, how we can do the like interface. I talk about the interface also. If somebody is asking you, if client is asking, oh, can you develop this interface for me? If you have idea of it, you can tell them upfront, yes, we can do. Or if they will, what type of REST protocol, SOAP protocol, bulk API, front end, what kind of interface they want, you can understand it if you know the knowledge, if you have the knowledge of it. Okay. And you can guide them well, what is the best fit for your requirement here, if you have the better knowledge. So that I'm saying, it is not like you cannot over the period of time when you know, you can again that come back, you can learn that time also. After getting a job also, you can learn that time also. But it is not like that you cannot do a job without knowing the developer. You can do it. Okay.
So if I learn the developer from the scratch level also, because I'm a background of BCom computers and I have done my MBA here. So I don't know the coding and part actually. So if I want to learn the developer also from the scratch level also, they will teach, no?
Yes, 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 of course.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Hello.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. Is this 20 hours, 30 hours is enough to get a job like with the experience?
Very good question.
I
So
just want
yeah.
to go with the fake experience. So
See, to get a job, experience is important. Okay. So, but see, if you want to show any kind of experience, that is fine. The main thing is, this is the period I am showing you 30 hours. This is the time which I am going to give you, and which you are going to, it is not the same as which you are going to give to this course. Okay. See, you are going to give this course more than that. When you do after the class is complete, let's say I've taken 1.5 hours class in the morning, 7 to 8:30, for example. After that, you start doing for the full day is yours. You are going to give this to course. You are doing a lot of practices. So it is not 30 hours. The internship, the everything, it will count you more. So you are getting that experience, not only this 30 hours. I hope I'm clear with this. Okay.
yeah, actually, I learned one ETL tool, Informatica.
Okay.
So I'm just little confusion about this taking this coaching or I'll go with that. So can you
See,
suggest?
yeah, see, ETL, Informatica or Talent or any ETL tool, they have a limited number of jobs in market, as per I know.
Yes,
Okay,
yes. Right
right.
now
But
I'm not getting any calls. So
yes, yes. But after learning this course, even the experience which you are talking about, you will definitely get lot of calls in Salesforce. Okay, we are
in the
finding.
Salesforce, one of my friends said, in the current market, we want to upgrade, for every project or everything, we need to upgrade. They are giving some other task, some other things to learn in the
Yes.
real time. So is it real?
Yeah, it is correct only. See, every day is a new learning for any of the student. Even though any of the professional, even I am now in 13 years of experience I have completed, but still I am learning new things. So see, as I told you, it is the things will change from in a bank. They change it from the register and all to the computer to high tech AI technologies and all. They are using web technologies, everything they are using now, right? So the new feature will come. The new feature will introduce to Salesforce. That is advantage to UL only. If more new things will come, more new kind of opportunity will come into the market. More new job will come. Technology is coming, it means job also. We need people also to do that job, right? So we will have more jobs in future in the Salesforce. Okay.
Sir, I heard that even the competition is also very high on this.
Of course, like
yes,
you are like you people also going to, of course, this is obvious, right? See,
yeah,
like you people also going to learn this Salesforce.
uh,
Similarly, other people also understand learning these from other institutes. So it
you're
is
absolutely right.
more often the earlier you learn this, that is more advantage for you. The delay you will do in the learning of this product or any product, any course you are taking from Webshala or any other company you are taking, the later you will have every day there are more people are coming. The more people are getting trained. Even you are
Yes.
also the competition for other people after few days.
Absolutely. Because
Absolutely.
of that, it's getting impacted over the salaries as well. I heard that because one of my friend, he is working as a Salesforce developer,
Hmm.
and he's earning very good package. He's
Hmm.
around 28 or 29 right now.
Yes, yes.
But he on the other day he just said me that like this is what is happening in the market right away.
Hmm.
Uh, he's forcing me to do the Salesforce, but
Hmm.
even just see in the scale and you put it across your things work. He's just
Hmm.
guiding me. Yeah.
Yeah, see, he is telling all truth of the market. Market is See, in the 2007 also market went down, right? IT market.
Uh,
Even then the last year also in the 2020 last, it went down because of the global. But
yes.
it is like a share market. It went down, it come back again. Who can understand the kind of fall it came into the share market in 2020? Okay, in April 2020. Guys, please go on mute if you are not speaking. Please, it's my request. Yeah, thank you. So in the 2020 market, share market also went very down, right? It went till Nifty 7,000 something, right? And now it's, Nifty is on 18,000. It is within the 3 years only. So it is up and down will come into the market. No one can stop that. But it is all about how you learn the market, how you learn the this platform, this courses well, and to sustain in the market. The better you learn, better you earn.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
It's based on us how we prepare ourselves
Yes.
and we perform that.
Exactly.
Thank you.
Exactly.
Thanks a lot for this.
He's also your friend is also there in 28. Maybe after some year it will cross 40 also. Okay.
Okay.
I am damn sure. Yeah.
Yeah,
See,
he's very good learner and he's very good, he's a smart person. And he was suggesting me, so I was just wanted to switch it, and I want to be on a stable base. And I heard the positive thing is that the next 20 to 30 years, the Salesforce will not come down. That's what I heard it.
no, not at all. Even if it is coming down, I told you that even if it is come down, new CRM will come. People will
Yes.
not, company will not stop their work, right? If Facebook is already adopted the Salesforce, even not Salesforce, any other product will come. They will grab that. You will get a switch to that.
Yes.
Right. They
you're
also
right.
need a new product. Also need a people to learn, to earn, to work. Right.
Yes. Yes.
So you will switch to that. Simple. I will also nowadays I'm teaching maybe Salesforce. After 10 years, you will meet me. Maybe I'm teaching the another product which is new in the market.
Got
Okay,
it, sir.
I'm working on that. So it is all depends on situation to situation. See, better thing is, best thing is. So thank you first of all. What's the good name?
My name is Shiva, sir. Shiva Sai Kumar Karadla.
Yeah, Shivas, thank you so much for coming to this webinar, first of all, because your words will give lot of confidence to other candidates also, who is planning to and who is thinking to learn this course, because
Okay.
it will give you the correct picture of the market also, how much the people are earning in this. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot for your words.
You're most welcome.
Hello,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah.
I have a question for you.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, actually, I'm thinking to join this Salesforce course,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm from hospital, and my doubt is I'm searching for a work from home job.
Mm-hmm.
Is it available after completing this course?
Thank you for asking this question also. It is connected me also. I have not went to my office since last 3 years, and I'm doing my job like perfectly here from home only.
Sir, some says that after some years they might call to the office.
Yeah, it is true. It is true. It is, see, right now the COVID impact, or maybe IT industry, they have like vacate their offices due to this. So that's why they are giving home work from home office, work from home jobs they are giving right now nowadays. Okay, maybe sometime after some time they will ask you to come back, maybe after 2 years or 3 years. So by that time, if you are, let's say you joined one company after 3 months, okay, if they are giving you work from option now, adopt it. And after 2 years, if they are saying, okay, come to office, or after 3 years they come to office, you can very like by the time you will having very good experience to switch your job also, right? So you can switch your job to any company who are giving work from option, and you can request the current manager also, telling your home condition and any kind of medical condition. You can say, I cannot come. They will allow you to work from home. They are not asking everyone every day. Maybe once in a week they are asking, twice in a week they are asking, that you can go also. It is a, for me also, like if somebody asks me to come to office for 2 days in a week, I will be very happy. I will meet with people. I'm not watching. I'm not only in a home alone, right, to work on the computer and all. I will meet the people also. We'll do lot of other activity also. It will make us active from our physical strength on the body.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Right. It's right, sir. But
Yeah, I
I'm
understood,
staying in
completely
hostel.
understood your situation. So see, if you show every company, people are also human being, right? If you tell them your problem, they will understand it.
Okay. Right now there is no problem, right, sir?
No, right now there is no problem.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, so I think I have covered most of the questions. I think questions are repeating. And if you have any further question, you can directly ask me.
Can you suggest for like suppose someone are working in real time projects, okay? So if they are also taking the courses, so could you please guide them also, like could you please help them in the real time project if you have time, or
Yeah, like for that, you need to connect with Webshala first. They can arrange whoever able to do this. Okay, I will not say that I will be able to help you on the current project. Yes, I can do it if it is a small kind of query or a small kind of, but if it is a taking time or long time, see, because I told you, like I am working professional. I do my job also in the side by side time. In morning, I help the people also to learn this. Okay, so this is my situation. I can help you whatever I can do. But if you need a particular any kind of job support help, you can connect with Webshala. They will definitely help you. They will align some people for you so that they can help you with. Okay.
yeah.
Any other query?
Sir, whether this is correct to ask or not, I'm not pretty sure. Can you please help me out with your LinkedIn ID, sir?
Yeah, sure. I'll share with you.
Thank you.
Any other questions?
Yes, sir, I have question.
Mhm.
I'm Judy and I'm in IT only. So
Mhm.
I have completed admin and development part by my own by using
Okay.
CRB. So
Very good.
I just want to know what are the advanced courses are there for me so
Sure,
that I
sure.
can go for that.
Okay, fine. So as see, there are the course LWC, Salesforce CPQ, Business Analyst, Analytics. Okay, analyst that you can join. Okay, for that you can directly connect with the Webshala team. Okay, Abhishek or other people, they will guide you for that also. And one more thing, I like this is just my personal experience. There is few candidate who joined my course before. Okay, and they already done this through different courses. They did this they did this admin and developer course from some other organization or some other like self learning and all. But when they join this course here, they said few statements which I remind me to tell you about it. They said that we were knowing it, okay, but the kind of questions, kind of doubt got cleared from our mind now. It was not before. Like concept wise, now this course is clear. The Salesforce is clear to us that well. It was not earlier. Okay, so just it's a kind of a feedback from other people. I wanted to share with you. It is all up to you what course you are choosing. Okay, that Webshala will help you.
Thank you so much, sir,
No
for guiding.
problem. Any other question?
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, I'm last year BTech student from computer branch. So if I have to cover both parts, admin and developer part, so how much time it will take?
So as I told you, see, this is the minimum time, okay, which I have mentioned here. For developer, it go beyond 30, like 20 days also. As I told you, last I took 29 classes to complete the entire code because the level of students and all was, see, I need to take everyone together. If you are a computer graduate, okay, I understood that thing, but it will be, I'll give you more example to do it on the same time. The other people are doing 2-3 example. I'll give you more things so that you can practice more. And to start getting a job, I can help you before itself also. Like, for example, I can we can do the courses within that time. Then we can prepare the CV and I can float your CV. Like we can float your CV, we can start giving the interview. If you are, so I'm sure what I hope I am able to clear your doubt.
Okay.
Okay,
Actually,
so
I'm
you can.
completing.
Yeah, I understood that. See, you know the programming basics and all already. See, to learn in a different language, it always little bit time you will take. Maybe you know C or Java, C++, .NET, but to learn the Apex also, it will take till late time. So I'll give you more exercises to do. I'll give you separately. Okay, this in front of everyone also, not separately. So they want, they can also do that exercises. But I'll give you some more examples, some more things. I'll give you so that you will be more efficient. You can utilize this training well, more better than other people. Okay, because you already have some programming experience. Okay.
Okay, good. Thanks. Thank you.
Okay. Any other query?
Hey Nikhil, Shushmita here.
Yeah, Shushmita.
I'm having a 4 years experience as a Salesforce admin.
Hmm.
So now I'm thinking to learn LWC. So
Okay.
do I need to read about the developer part also?
Of course, yes.
Because-
See, LWC at the back end, they use programming only, right? It's a web component that is written in programming only. So you need to learn the developer first.
Okay. So with
Okay.
admin knowledge, we can't proceed with the LWC.
No.
Oh, okay, fine.
Mhm.
And
See,
I wanted one more thing. Like, is there any certification related to LWC?
yeah, we have. I think we have. I'll tell you offline the certification. I don't remember the exactly certification name, but it is there.
Oh, okay, fine.
Okay.
Because I just heard that a basic JavaScript knowledge is enough for to
See,
proceed with LWC.
along with JavaScript knowledge, your CSS style sheet and like render file, and there are so many other things also for to learn the LWC.
Okay.
Of course, developer will be the base of it. All the controllers you need to write. Okay, so everything you need to the class, everything you need to write in that there also.
Okay, fine.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, Nikhil, got it. Thank you.
You're welcome. Any other questions?
Yeah, Nikhil, hello.
Mm-hmm.
May I know in which organization you're working right now?
Sorry?
In which organization you're working right now?
Currently, I'm working with which organization? Okay, is that important? To one renowned organization, I can tell you about it offline. Okay, if you can take my number or something with Abhishek directly. We can connect offline.
Sure.
Okay. Yeah. Any other questions?
Sir, I mean, like this Aura component is getting outdated. Do we also need to learn this?
See, it is getting outdated in a sense that, yeah, people are mostly using LWC nowadays, but it is nothing said that it is getting obsolete or it is going to be like it is Salesforce is not going to use it. Yes, it is important to learn so that you can understand the LWC well. Okay, lot of things currently there are a lot of this is the thing. Let's say if you are not learning it, for example, and the company you are going to join in future, they are using Aura component. They have not obsolete it. They are still working on Aura component. Okay. Then how you will work there? Okay. See, it all depends on. It is not like that everywhere in this industry. In this industry, they are working on the latest technology only. They are working on everywhere. See, some people are still working on the older version of Salesforce. Okay, they are still working on Aura component. They are still using workflows. They are using on. There are a lot of things they are using, which were introduced like 10 years before, but still they are using it. So it is all depends what client, what project, what work you are getting in your company. Okay, I will teach you everything so that you will be good for everything. Okay.
Yeah.
Any other query?
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, Nikhil. So Abhishek is here. So yeah, so if anyone have any queries, you can ask, or like or if you want to, so we can wrap it up the class also.
Okay, sure. Yeah, Abhishek, I just wanted to take you one more thing to guide the people how they can like register for this,
Yeah,
how
yeah.
the
For that, there only I coming. Okay.
yeah,
So
okay,
yeah.
okay.
Sir, I just have
So
one doubt.
guys,
Sorry to.
yeah,
Yeah, yeah,
please
sure.
ask.
Yeah.
Okay, sure.
But I'm having 2 years of experience in SAP.
Hmm.
So while applying for any job further in the Salesforce, will this experience be useful? I mean, like, can I apply as a Salesforce experience, or do I need to go as a fresher in
Okay,
Salesforce?
so in short, if I tell you, see, you can tweet your CV also. In very short terms, you can tweet your CV also. Since you already having SAP experience, you can
Mhm.
tweet your experience in SAP from SAP to Salesforce also after learning this course. Because
Okay.
after learning this course, you will be able to answer so many questions of interviewer who is asking.
Okay.
Okay, so
Mm.
yeah, in that way, yes, it is will be helpful for you, and it will be better for you to not go as a fresher to any of the industry to applying for. You can show 2 years experience, your own company experience.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
Okay.
Thanks.
And
Thanks.
there is one more Mayur said on the group. You are superb. Thank you so much. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Abhishek, please continue.
Okay, guys. So for now, if you have any doubt, anything from registration, and so you can ask with me, or we also going to drop, that we also going to drop that WhatsApp in a WhatsApp group that are counselors contact number. Okay, also going to drop a one form. So what you can do, you just fill the form, and our counselor going to connect with you. Okay, and you can ask your query regarding that registration and your classes, timing, everything they're going to clear. Okay. Or
Okay.
uh, or if anyone have any kind of doubt regarding registration and all, you can ask with me right now. Okay. So yeah, I think so Nikhil, yeah, we can wrap it up. Okay. So here what we can do, we going to drop that every detail in our WhatsApp group, so everyone can go through it.
Yeah.
Okay,
Somebody is
guys.
asking for the fee also. So fee structure.
Okay,
Yeah.
fee
When you
structure.
Hmm,
Yeah, yeah. Counselor going to explain you about the fee structure. Okay.
right.
Why? Because yeah, so there are some discount coupons and also going on. So counselor will going to help you out with the fee structure as well.
Hi, Abhishek.
Yeah, please tell.
I found question. I am a fresher recently passed out, I was not able to any attend any interview from last 6 months in Salesforce. They required experience for
Mm-hmm.
joining Salesforce, any admin or developer. I have good knowledge in Apex. I have done multiple courses on Trailhead and multiple supervisors, Apex specialist, and all these things. How can I get a job as a fresher in Salesforce domain? I am trying for last 6 to 8 months.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
Mm-hmm.
so any tips for freshers, early joiners? Like,
Yeah, Nikhil, I think you are the best person to answer this. So,
okay.
yeah.
Yeah. Sure. So see, sorry. Can you ask one more time the question again?
Sir, any tips for fresher? I am a fresher. I am trying from last 6 to 8 months
Hmm.
to find a Salesforce job,
Okay.
but yeah, I am not able to find any link. So I have good knowledge in that Apex and
Hmm.
admin multiple courses done on Trailhead
Hmm. Hmm.
and multiple supervisors like Apex and
Hmm.
LWC.
Hmm.
Yeah. So
See, sometimes, yeah, I understood your question. See, sometimes there are few things which is a platform can give you, you cannot do by your own. Okay. So Webshala, I just wanted to explain about the Webshala a little bit here. So Webshala has already have the tie-up with few of the companies where they can refer you directly. The chances to get selected because you already have some experience. Okay. If you choose some courses from here also, and if you do little bit more concept is clear. See, sometimes we learn few things from ourselves, right? It happens. I trained many people who were saying, like, I remember one person named Abhijit. He was saying I did all the exercises, everything on Trailhead by myself. but my concept was not clear. I was doing hits here and there, bits and pieces. The concept was not clear. Now it is clear. Now I know what is the sequence of it. Now I know what is the thing. I was just trying and doing it. That's why I was not able to clear some few of the interviews. But now I am able to do it. Okay, so just this is just few example. So Webshala give you some advantage also sometimes from other candidates over our candidates to give you a direct link to some company so that you can directly give their interviews. Okay, but for that you need to be conceptual strong. Okay, you should understand the things from the deep.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, I hope there is no further question and we can wrap up this.
So only just one question here. Like,
Mhm.
what would be the timings for this for the courses that you're going to keep it at?
So timing is means when it is going to be doing the day
Start
wise.
and what is on a daily basis when it will be.
Okay, so it see all if you are a working professional or we took everyone together. So we generally do in early morning. Early morning means 8 to 9, 7 to 8, and in evening also 6:30 to 7:30, 7:30 to 8:30, 8 to 9, 9 to 10 also we have some batches. So you can based on my availability also and based on your availability also, we customize the timings. Okay, we do the timings. So you can we will I don't know what is going to be shared in the form, but we can like we can give you the in the form the timings also, which is suitable timings for you. So you can choose the timing from there and you can go for any of the batches.
Okay.
Okay.
And other question is like, sorry for I'm taking a
No,
longer
no,
time.
that is a very good question.
Yeah. Well, the next question is sir, like in this developer, because I'm pretty new to the Salesforce. This is this developer course that you're showing. It's a basic one, right? Again, we are getting a new things into the Salesforce like LWC and
Yes, yes.
like
So
web
these,
components. Yeah.
yeah, this admin and developer are the basic things which
Okay.
anyone, any fresher or any people who are switching their career from any other to this technology, they need to learn this at least. Okay.
Okay.
As I told you, see LWC people, whoever is knowing LWC, they will definitely go on higher package than the developer.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
because they can explain that they know the LWC also. They know the Salesforce CPQ, business analytics. They have more like more better understanding and more better knowledge on this, more features of it, right? With them.
Yes.
So they can definitely go on higher, but it is not like that developer will cannot get a good salary. If you have understood well, if you have done exercises well, interview, if you are clearing, if you're impressing your interview, they will give you 100% number on the interview, and then whatever you will ask in HR from your HR round, they will ready to give you.
Great. So additionally to after this, we will be starting with an LWC course is whatever the
Yes.
additional that we needed, right?
Right,
That's
right,
what you.
right.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay, then we can wrap up this and let me stop sharing and stop recording also.
Okay, guys.